are you here? Olé! Oh, my friends, are you there? Hey, hey! Oh, my friends, are you ready to move and groove and hep, hep, heppity hop, heppity, heppity, heppity hop, hep me ho, 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 way oh, ho, ho, hep me ho, 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 way oh, way oh, hep me ho, 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 way oh, ho, hep me ho, 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 way oh,
Attention! Roll call. Matito?
Matito.
Bianca?
Bianca.
Rufus?
Rufus.
And I'm Captain Hapet. Hapet. And who are you? It's nice to meet you. Can you salute like this? Good. Would you like to glue? Okay, we will show you. Matito, glue the fingers. Hup. Bianca, glue the fingers. Hup. Rufus, glue the fingers. Hup. Now you try. Glue the fingers. Hup. Good. Now, Matito, glue the elbows. Hup. Bianca, glue the elbows. Hup. Rufus, glue the elbows. Hup. How about you? Glue the elbows. Hup. Very good. Now, Matito, glue the knees. Up. Bianca, glue the knees. Up. Rufus, glue the knees. Up. Now you try. Glue the knees. Up. Super good. Now, all together. Everybody ready? Glue the fingers. Up. Glue the elbows. Up. Glue the knees. Up. Nice gluing. One more time. Glue the fingers. Up. Glue the elbows. Up. Glue the knees. Up. Super good. Now you can glue. Get stuck and undo.
Happity, happity, happity hop, hoop la hoop la hoop hoop. Happity, happity, happity hop, hoop la happy ho. Happity, happity, happy hop, hoop la hoop hoop. Happity, happity, happy hop, hoop la happy ho. Hoop la happy ho, hoop la happy ho.
Wake up, Wooster. We're all waiting for your cock-a-doodle-doo. Wake up, Wooster. We're all waiting for your cock-a-doodle-doo. cock-a-doodle-doo. Hi, everyone. We're the Four Tones, and these here are the doo-ahs. Howdy, doo-ahs.
Howdy, Four Tones.
Now, this is a song about a rooster called Wooster. Do you know what a rooster says? That's right, cock-a-doodle-doo, just to wake us up and start the day. Now, we've got a song to sing, and we need all you roosters to join us. Just remember to do what the doo-ahs do.
Do what we do.
All right, now this is how it goes. Wake up, Wooster. Now you try it.
Wake up, Wooster.
Very good. Then it goes, we're all waiting for your cock-a-doodle-doo.
We're all waiting for your cock-a-doodle-doo.
Very good. Now we're going to put the whole thing together.
Wake up, Wooster. We're all waiting for your cock-a-doodle-doo.
Very good. That was better than a fried egg on a hot tin roof. Now we're going to do the whole song. I'll tell you when to come in. And remember to do what the doo-ahs do.
Do what we do.
All right, gang, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wooster, the rooster is sleeping late. The sun is up, it's 7:45. The cows are snoring, and so is the swine. And here it is, 9:30.
Wake up, Wooster. We're all waiting for your cock-a-doodle-doo. Wake up, Wooster. We're all waiting for your cock-a-doodle-doo.
Chicks are snoozing under each hen. Oh, good gravy, it's 9:45. I sure hope Wooster wakes up soon. The farmer's in bed, and it's almost noon.
Wake up, Wooster. We're all waiting for your cock-a-doodle-doo. Wake up, Wooster. We're all waiting for your cock-a-doodle-doo.
And they all still sleep as day becomes the night. Tomorrow morning, Wooster, try to get it right.
Wake up, Wooster. We're all waiting for your cock-a-doodle-doo. Wake up, Wooster. We're all waiting for your cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Morning, Wooster.
Hey, big team, let's do our thing.
Yeah! Ticka, 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 tee-tee-ta. I've got a rhythm, gonna share it with ya. Ticka, 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 tee-tee-ta. I've got a rhythm, gonna share it with ya.
Hi, we've just been bird watching. I saw an owl. Hoo! Hoo! I saw a crow. Caw! Caw, caw! Caw, caw! Caw, caw!
And I saw a woodpecker. Digga 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 digga.
I saw cuckoo. Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Hey, I bet you can make all these bird sounds. We'll show you.
Yeah! I'll go first. Hoo! Hoo! Let's all be owls, and you can try too.
Hoo! 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 Hoo!
Good for you.
Caw! Caw, caw! Caw, caw! Caw, caw! Caw!
Let's be crows, and you could be some too.
Caw! Caw, caw! Caw, caw! Caw, caw! Caw!
Good curly.
Digga 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 digga. Let's all be woodpeckers, and you too. Digga 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 digga. Good job.
Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Try being the cuckoo, and you too. Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. That was so cuckoo. Hey, B-Team, let's have some fun with these birds. Yeah!
Digga 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 digga.
Watch.
Digga 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 High four to you two.
High four.
Hi, my name is Pay, and I have a poem for you. It's called Hair by Jeff Sweeney. Shirley's is curly, and so is Kate's. Davy's is wavy, and Nate's is straight. Scotty's is naughty, and Fred's is red. And Granddaddy Green has none on his head. Hi, Joshua.
Hi, Pay.
Can you remember that poem?
I think so.
Let's see. Shirley's is,
Curly.
and so is Kate's. Davy's is,
Wavy.
and Nate's is,
Straight.
Scotty's is,
Naughty.
and Fred's is,
Red.
and Granddaddy Green has none on his
Head.
Good remembering.
Thank you. Now can you remember that poem?
Yeah!
Let's see and watch for the hints. Shirley's is,
Curly.
and so is Kate's. Davy's is,
Wavy.
and Nate's is,
Straight.
Scotty's is,
Naughty.
and Fred's is,
Red.
and Granddaddy Green has none on his
Head.
good remembering.
Joshua, if you could have different hair for one day, what kind of hair would you have?
Long black, short black hair. I mean, blonde hair made out of spaghetti.
Then I could eat it. And mine would be made of cotton candy, so then you could eat it.
Well, then, mine is out of cotton candy because I want the same hair as you.
Oh, that's so nice. But there's so many different kinds of hair out there. Oh, let's do that poem together with our friends.
Yeah!
See if you can say it with us. Ready?
Shirley's is curly, and so is Kate's. Davy's is wavy, and Nate's is straight. Scotty's is naughty, and Fred's is red. And Granddaddy Green has none on his head.
Now you know a poem.
Yeah, now you know a poem too.
Yeah!
So
Foursquare.